Hello, good morning to all of you. Namaskar. Once again, I want to inform you that we are now on the digital platform of the discussion and learning the subject PSN. And the topic on which we have to discuss is the spectrum of the health and determinations of the health on the family level, community level, national level. There are some points on which we can estimate the status of the health. Those are known as the determinants on the health, which is very important in the community medicine because we have to calculate the status of the health, then we can go for the other requirement in the field of the medical science for the positive health and some medical activities. So first of all, we have to know about the spectrum of the health. As you know, the spectrum of the health is included some points like positive health, better health, freedom from sickness, and others are the unrecognized sickness and mild sickness, the condition of the mild sickness in the community, and the condition of the severe sickness means emergencies and the deaths. So all these factors include the spectrum of the health. Health and the disease lies along to a continuum and there is no single cutoff point. The lower or the lowest point on the health disease spectrum is the death and the highest point corresponds to the WHO definition is the positive health. So uppermost condition in the spectrum is the state of the positive health. If a person or the society enjoy the health on the maximum level, those are given in the dimensions of the health, at least on the physical, mental, social dimensions. So the lowest point on which the health spectrum is death, it is the obvious that health fluctuates within a range of optimum well-being to the various level of the dysfunctions, including the state of the total dysfunctions, namely the death. The transitions from the optimum health to ill health is often gradual and where one state and the other being is matter of the judgment, means all the conditions in the spectrum are correlated by which they all are the affected and the health is seen in the society in which conditions. So the spectrum concept of the health emphasizes that the health of the individual is not static. It is a dynamic phenomena and a process of the continuous changes subject to frequent subtitle variations. What is the considered maximum health today may be the minimum tomorrow. That is, a person may function at maximum level of the healthy today and the diminished level of the health tomorrow. कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये सारी कंडीशंस वेरिएशंस में रहती हैं स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ हेल्थ में। जो चीज़ें हम इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं, स्टेट ऑफ द पॉजिटिव हेल्थ, बेटर हेल्थ, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द सिकनेस, दीज आर द ऑल थ्री कंडीशंस विच कम इन द स्टेट ऑफ द हेल्थ। कोई व्यक्ति विशेष बीमार नहीं है, कोई व्यक्ति विशेष ज़्यादा बीमार है, कोई व्यक्ति विशेष बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार है। ये बहुत ज़्यादा बीमारी की कंडीशन कई बार उसको डेथ की कंडीशन में भी ला सकती है। तो दीज कंडीशंस आर आल्सो seen in the variations in the spectrum of the health. If there is no any deviations of the health, mentally, physically, functionally, socially, nutritionally, then we can say the person is enjoying the health, in the positive health. Now we have to go for the discussion of determinants of the health. Means what are the things on which we can calculate the status of the health of the family? You know, the family is the unit of society or the community, and there are different societies and communities in the state and nations. Either they are on the basis of the religious factors, caste, and other so many factors. Some are the professional societies, some are the student societies, ladies societies, housewives, professional, females, businessmen, different societies. Different societies have the lot of the type of the different positive factors by which the health is debited. So we have to calculate the status of the health in a society. Then there are some points on which we have to go for the focus. They are the biological determinants. Biological determinants means the physical and mental trait of the every human beings are to some extent determined by the nature of his genes and the moments of the conceptions, by which the biologically there are the defective. The positive health advocated WHO implies that a person should be able to express as completely as possible the potentialities of his genetic heritage. This is the positive only when the person is allowed to live in the healthy relationship with his environment and the environmental conditions. So, biological determinants always affect the conditions on which we also estimate the health of the peoples. Second point on which we can estimate or calculate the conditions of the health in any nation or state or in country is the behavioral and the socio-cultural conditions. If the behavioral and the social cultural conditions like lifestyle is a rather diffuse concept often used to denote the way people live, reflecting a full range of the social value, attitude of the activities. It is composed of cultural and behavioral essence, lifelong personal habits, smoking, alcoholism, that have developed through the process of the socializations, on which we also can estimate the status of the health. Then environmental conditions. What are the environment? You know, environment is the aggregate conditions of the all the factors by which the health is affected. And you know, the environment is also classified into three groups: physical environment, socio-psychological environment, and biological environment. So all these conditions are, if favorable, then the health also will be on the optimum, maximum level, so on which we also estimate or the status of the health. Socio-economical conditions means लोगों की इनकम पर कैपिटा. किसी देश में अगर व्यक्ति की आर्थिक स्थिति सही नहीं है तो उसके परिवार का विकास संभव नहीं है. तो इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशंस ऑलवेज अफेक्ट द कंडीशंस ऑफ द हेल्थ. अगर इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशन सही नहीं है तो उस परिवार में न्यूट्रिशनल प्रॉब्लम होगी, एजुकेशनल स्टेटस वीक होगा, एजुकेशन होगा तो अवेयरनेस नहीं होगी. ये सारी चीज़ें भी जरूरी हैं, जिसके व्याप पे हम कह सकते हैं किसी राष्ट्र की, किसी देश की, किसी राज्य की, किसी परिवार की स्वास्थ्य की क्या कंडीशन है. देन नेक्स्ट point on which we can estimate the medical facility and the healthcare facilities in the community. अगर किसी देश में कहीं हमें मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं है तो वहाँ के लोगों की कंडीशन, वहाँ के लोगों की स्वास्थ्य की कंडीशन सही नहीं होगी, उससे भी हम हेल्थ स्टेटस को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। एजिंग ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन, एजिंग ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन मीन्स द एवरेज लाइफ स्पान। Nowadays, some countries have the more life span as per comparison to the others, like India nowadays have the 65 years age lifespan in the country. So it is more or less good conditions for the Indian health status, but it also can be raised if the medical facilities and other facilities we can provide for the community. Then other factors like the way of the communications, experiences, transportations, health related systems, food and agricultural activities, crops, occupational status. These are also the conditions on which we can estimate the health status of the any country. So all these factors on which we can estimate the health status of any country are known as the determinants of the health. In the summary, we also can be listed in the form of the biological factors, behavioral factors, environmental factors, socio-economical factors, health system, socio-cultural factors, aging of the population, and science and tech conditions of the technology, information and the communications, size of the families and societies. Okay. Now next topic we will discuss later on, and it will be the ecology and responsibilities for the health. It is very important topic and it will be discussed in the next lesson. Okay, thank you.